Hello. In this video, we're going to look at how to change the other headings, the blue ones. And the last one we changed the orange ones, and it's going to be very similar. I'll paste the code and we'll talk about it. So notice that it's very similar to the last video where we have three selectors, all classes, and a comma, all being targeted by this one rule. So just like the last video, we have profile contact heading, which means, okay, in the profile, this big white piece of paper or panel, in the contact area, which is this area right here, but the heading of it, we want to target that. So we're targeting this. And the profile table section heading, which we're saying, okay, so in the profile, in the table section, which is both of these, both of your interests and your links, the heading, we're going to change it to green. Again, we'll go over how to find this stuff later, but for right now, I think this suffices. Please let me know if you have any suggestions or comments or questions down below. Thanks for watching.